Welcome to my project. I am Jobar Ahmed Jimon. In this project, I am going to present some of my point of view and observation on water wastage and soil pollution. Let's start with water wastage. So, what is water waste? Using water more than the need in a particular condition or for a particular thing is called water waste. In our life, we need to use a huge amount of water waste in the household. In the very first, we can see that a person use water for clean up his hand more than his requirement. We can use water for shower as much as we need, but in this video the water is overflowing through the bucket. We can use water in kitchen like washing dishes, pots, pans, but sometimes we are using more water as much as we need. We can abuse water in household works like washing clothes. So we can see from the video that how we are wasting water regularly in our household work. If we want to save the world, we have to save the water first, as water is called as life. Now we will have our observation on soil pollution. Soil pollution is defined as the build up in soils of determined toxic compounds, chemicals, salts, or disease causing agents which have adverse effect on plants growth and animal health. We all know that plastic cannot be decomposed or break down in the environment. In our day-to-day life, almost in every house, plastic is being used in different forms. But do we know how plastic is polluting the soil or the environment? Let's have a look on that. We can see that in only few days, maybe less than a week, in a family, even with very few members in it, have used a lot of plastic bottles or containers. Even talking about the packaging food, can we imagine that if this much plastic products can come out of one family for just 1 week or something, how much plastic products will come out from the houses of a whole city? As we all know, the plastic cannot be decomposed in the soil. So when we throw all these plastic bottles, packaging, containers, polythene bags, wrapping papers, all these things are thrown on somewhere in the soil surface. As it cannot be breaking down in the soil, it creates soil pollution. So that was it for my point of views on those two pollutions. Thank you for being with me.